Hello everyone. Today let us see in this session that how do we convert the nested for loop into the nested while loop. So first of all, as we can see on the screen that this is the shell mode. So first of all, I will move to the script mode. And in this script mode, let us write one code snippet using the nested for loop. Let it be any. So I will use for I in range 5 comma 0 comma -1. So we should understand this line that the I will start with 5 and it will end before 0, and -1, that means that it will start with 5, then it will go to 4, then it will be 3, then 2, and then 1, and then it will stop. It will not go to 0. So the first loop that is going from 5 till 1. That means that we are decrementing in the first line. Then the inner for loop j in range 1 comma 6. So here we can see that the another variable, that is j, which will be initialized with 1, and it will go on till 5, that is 1 2 3 4 5. That means that j is incrementing, as we have seen in the outer for, that I will decrement but j will increment. That means that it will increase by 1. Then in the inner for loop, we have a statement to execute. We will print I, then there is an end parameter. The significance of end parameter is that by default, the end parameter is \n. That is that whenever we print it by default, it goes to the next line. But if we give this space, then it will be printed in the same line. And when we want to come out of this loop, and if I give only print statement, this will take me my print to the next line. So now, first of all, let us see that how this particular code will execute. So I will run this. Let me save this with the name output 10. And we can see here that the output is like this. So I will keep the screen over here. And now I will open another script. And now I will convert this for loop into the while loop. Now, how we are going to do that? The first line is for I in range 5, comma 0, comma -1. So first of all, as we all know that in while loop, first of all, we do the initialization. So we will do the initialization I equals to 5 because it is starting with 5. After that, we will write while, and as we know that while will execute till it is greater than 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it will stop at 1, that means greater than 0. Enter. Now we will come to the inner while loop, and in the inner part we will write, because as we can see that there is one more variable j, so we will again initialize j equals to 1, as we can see that j in range 1 comma 6. And here when I will write while, so here j is less than 6, because 1 2 3 4 5, it has to stop at 5. That means j less than 6. And here we will put a colon, and the statement which is executing, I will write the statement as it is. Print I. There is an end parameter. And after that, now here, I have to see, I have to come out of while, but before coming out of while, I have to complete the inner while loop. So in the inner while, for going from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, I have to increment this j. So I will write here j equals to j plus 1 and press enter. Come out of this while and write that print statement which is outside. And now to complete my loop, the outer loop also, as we could see that we haven't completed it because in I minus 1 was written. So here to complete my question, I will write here I equals to I minus 1 because it has to be decremented, because we can see for I in range 5, comma 0, comma minus 1. So we have to decrement I. So let us see if this runs and if this gives us the same output as that of the 4. And let me save it with the name output 11. And we can see here that the result is same. So this is how we will rewrite the code snippet by using the nested while loop of this nested for loop. I hope that the question is clear to all of you.